Hey everybody, it's Rhonda. If you are new to my channel, I help people sell digital design files on Etsy, things like SVGs, PNGs, clip art, sublimation designs, things of that nature. I also run a private community where we focus a lot on when to design it and scaling your Etsy shop and your business for faster and better growth. So this is something new, and I think I'm going to start doing this once a month. At the beginning of every month, I'm going to do a video showing you what you should be working on and planning and designing for right now. At the beginning of February, where we are now, we should be focusing on Q2, on April, May, and June. We design early because when you make a design and you list it on Etsy, Etsy doesn't just throw it out there immediately. It takes a little bit of time for Etsy to decide what your product is, who the best buyers are for it, who it should be in front of. So that takes a little bit of time. Also, buyers are searching early. If you are selling digital files, typically you are selling them to other business owners who are putting them on end products. So they need time to create their products and get them out in front of their customers too. So the earlier we create and list our digital files, the better. So I have this graphic and I have it set up in 3 months for April, May, and June, because those are the 3 months we should be concentrating on right now. So for April, really most of your April designs should be listed, or you should be very ready to list them any day now. You should be listing anything that falls in April. It should be in your Etsy shop or ready to go. Autism acceptance, Passover, Easter, Major League Baseball opening day. That is definitely a huge deal, and if you can design for it, do it, because sports lovers are, it's definitely a good niche. Earth Day, and then there's National Pet Day, and then keep in mind it's a start of gardening and spring planting season, so you'll want to get designs that are relevant to that up. And your spring wedding season prep, things like wedding signage, bridal shower games, floral clip art, things like that. But April should be pretty much, you could have some last minute designs that you're working on, but for the most part, you should have April ready to go. What we should be designing right now, what we should be focusing on is May. That's Mental Health Awareness Month, so you can do things like self-care affirmation cards, mental wellness trackers, calming pastel type clip arts. Graduation season is starting, so the class of 2026 designs for sublimation or POD, graduation party printables, cap and gown, diploma style clip art. Then we have Teachers Appreciation Week. That's always teacher themed designs are always popular. So you could do teacher quotes, thank you card printables, school themed sticker sets, and Cinco de Mayo. That's another one that's always popular. Fiesta clip art bundles, bold sublimation designs, seamless Fiesta style digital papers. That's another way to go. Don't forget Mother's Day. That's always a big event here in the US. It's in May. So we have floral designs with mom quotes, Mother's Day card printables, and more botanical style clip art. So those are just a few ideas of things you can be creating for these various holidays and events. And lastly, Kentucky Derby is in early May. So Derby hat clip art, Southern style party printables, and horse illustrations. Those are just a few more ideas. And June, it's not too early to be looking at June. We have Pride Month, so you could be doing things like inclusive affirmation clip art, rainbow themed digital papers, Pride quotes on sublimation designs. Then Father's Day, dad quote designs, masculine design graphics, sports and hobby themed clip art. That's always big around Father's Day. Then we have Juneteenth. A few ideas there would be freedom and heritage quote designs, educational printable posters, clip art elements. Then we have graduation parties and open houses. Party signage printables is a good idea. Photo props, celebration decor sets. And of course, let's see, we have summer break prep, kids activity packs, travel planners, chore charts and routines are good ideas for that little niche. Summer season, vacation quote designs, beach and travel clip art, summer planner inserts. And wedding season is in full swing in June. You're looking at seating charts, signage templates, wedding printables, more floral clip art. So these are the things you should be working on now. April, you should be working on getting all these things listed. And May, that's your design now window, right now. And June is our getting a little bit ahead so we are not behind later. When I do this next month or the month after and I say, oh, June, all these things in June, we should be listing them now. You should have yours listed because you were planning ahead. We are not trying to be faster, be more creative, be that. We are all about, this is all about timing. This is all about getting your things on Etsy, getting your designs on Etsy early enough that Etsy has time to decide who they should be showing them to, where they belong in the search. So you don't want to wait till the last minute to be putting your designs up. I'm not saying last minute listings never make sales. I'm not saying that at all. It happens. But the smart way to do it is to be listing these things at least 60 days ahead of time. So use this planning guide, take a look at it, start thinking about what you should be getting out of your folders now and getting them into Etsy. All your April designs, your Easter, your baseball, your Earth Day, your gardening, your spring stuff, all that should be going into your Etsy shop now. And you should be focusing more on May and June as far as designs go. Alrighty? So I hope you guys, I really hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments if you did or if there's something you think I can do to improve this. If you have any questions, please let me know. Also, let me know if you would like to see this as a monthly feature. Every month, at the beginning of the month, we'll talk about what you should be listing right now and what you should be designing right now as well. What you should be working on and what you should be planning ahead for. So be sure to let me know in the comments what you'd like to see with this. And I hope you guys have a super great day. Oh, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And again, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.